Carmel School believes in fostering tomorrow's innovators, engineers, and scientists. Our commitment to STEAM education is not just a priority, it's a passion.
STEAM subjects are the building blocks of the future.
From cutting-edge prototyping facilities to advanced robotics kits, we are dedicated to providing our students with the best possible STEAM learning experience.
With the right tools, students can take their ideas and turn them into something real. It's exciting to know what they are learning today could change the world tomorrow.
To keep up with the demands of an ever-evolving world, we need to invest in the resources that make STEAM learning come to life. Your support can ensure that every student has the opportunity to explore, create, and innovate in a way that sets them up for success.
Parents, Jewish community of Hong Kong, as you've just seen, there are many aspects to innovation and student growth in Carmel School, from our tiny tots right through to our graduating students. It's time for us to step up and to support the school that gives our children so much. Let us join together, donate today, and be part of something bigger. Together, we can make a lasting impact on each and every child.